Listen to that sound. It almost sounds like a rattle, doesn't it? Gentle, rhythmic, yet as clear as a warning. That sound is nature's alarm. Fight or flight. Meet a creature whose diamond-patterned back glistens, whose stare locks you in place, and whose very sound commands respect. The Eastern Diamondback Rattlesnake. Today, I invite you to see nature through its eyes, where danger meets elegance, a deadly force that moves in silence. In this documentary series, we dive deep into nature's most fascinating creatures: snakes, monkeys, penguins, and more. Subscribe to our channel and let's unlock the wild world together. In the humid undergrowth of the Southeastern United States, in pine forests, along swamp edges, or hidden in sun-baked meadows, there lies a shadow. It doesn't move, but it's alert. It has trained itself to be a master of opportunity. The Eastern Diamondback Rattlesnake is commonly found in Florida, Georgia, and the Carolinas. These areas are its domain, places where it both hunts and hides. The warm climate, dense vegetation, and abundance of rodents make it a perfect home. But let's ask a question. This snake is often labeled dangerous, a monster, or a killer. But what if it's just a misunderstood master of survival? Tell us in the comments. Do you think the rattlesnake is something to fear, or simply a wrongly judged exile of nature? It can grow up to 2.5 meters long. Its back glows with a striking diamond pattern woven in yellows, grays, and browns. Its head is broad, shaped like a triangle, and its eyes piercing, still, and able to catch every detail. At the end of its tail is the rattle, made of hollow keratin rings. Each time it sheds its skin, a new ring is added. That sound is only a warning, never a declaration of war. The Eastern Diamondback is an ambush predator. It doesn't chase, it waits. A rabbit, a squirrel, or a bird lets its guard down. Then the snake strikes like lightning. Its venom flows in. The prey is paralyzed in seconds. This snake carries hemotoxic venom with a touch of neurotoxins. It doesn't eat right away. It follows its prey, because its venom both kills and begins digestion. It's an energy-efficient way to eat. Springtime is mating season. Males wrestle for the attention of a female. But these battles rarely draw blood. It's all about strength, persistence, and control. The female gives birth to live young, usually between 10 and 20, into a world where they must survive alone. There's no maternal care. They are born snakes and must act as such. Every king has enemies. For this snake, it's eagles, predatory mammals, and humans. But our greatest enemy is fear. We try to destroy what we don't understand. The rattlesnake would rather flee. Its first defense is its rattle. The second is camouflage. Attacking is always the last resort. Rattlesnakes play a critical role in ecosystems. They control rodent populations in farmlands without the need for pesticides. They are guardians of balance. As long as they exist, the soil above and below stays healthy. If this story of beauty and brutality in nature moved you, don't forget to subscribe. Your support and your comments mean a lot to us. Snakes, creatures that sit at the fine edge between fear and awe. But in nature's balance, they hold a vital place, silent, yet essential. But now, I invite you on a very different journey, to the icy lands, where creatures walk upright, love company, and live in family units that command admiration. Would you like to meet penguins? We're waiting for you in the next video. Click now. Your next wild adventure is just beginning.